Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. In today's video, I am going to fix one of the most frustrating Windows problems. The automatic repair could not repair your PC logo. You might see a blue screen or black screen like this one saying, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. Or it might just say something like, could not connect to the network, keep your device on, and we will look for solution again. And the most frustrating part, my PC is connected to the internet through Ethernet cable, but Windows Recovery still insists it can't connect. This is just a so-called quick machine recovery or automatic repair. It just keeps restarting over and over again, never actually fixing anything. However, if you have encountered with the same problem, then don't worry. I will walk you through step by step on how to fix this issue safely. So let's get started. So what's actually happening here? When Windows detects a startup issue like missing system files, corrupted drivers, or registry errors, it automatically runs a tool called Startup Repair. But sometimes, instead of fixing your PC, it gets stuck in an endless loop showing error message like automatic repair could not repair your PC, a log file path like this, or even the screen that says it could not connect to the network. This usually happens because Windows can't find a stable restore point or the system files are too damaged. In order to fix this issue, you will need a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Here, what you will need before we start: a second working PC or laptop, a USB flash drive, at least 8 GB or larger, and internet connection. Here, I have made a detailed tutorial on how to create a Windows 10 or Windows 11 bootable USB drive. You can check it out from here. This USB will help us to access recovery tools, even if your Windows on your main PC is not loading correctly. However, once you have created the bootable USB, now plug the USB into the broken PC's USB port. Now restart your computer and press the boot menu key, usually F12, Escape or Delete depending on your brand. Select your USB drive as the boot device to boot from that. Now keep patience, you will see the Windows installation screen. Don't worry, we are not reinstalling Windows. From here, just click on Repair My Computer. Once inside the recovery environment, click Troubleshoot. Then click Advanced option. Here you will see multiple options like Startup Repair, Command Prompt, System Restore, and others. We have already seen Startup Repair failed, so we will go with the System Restore, which can roll your system back to a working state. Now click System Restore. It will search for available restore points. These are snapshots of Windows automatic creates when updates or app are installed. Select a restore point that dates before the issue started. Now click Next. Now read the message carefully and click on Next. And then click on Finish and confirm your restore. The system will now restore your files and registry to that earlier time. Just keep patience, this can take few minutes depending on your drive speed and system size. When it's done, it will ask you to restart. Just go ahead and do that. After the restart, if everything worked correctly, your system should now boot up normally. You will no longer see that automatic repair or could not connect to the network message. And of course, your file should remain intact and Windows will be back to the working condition. If the system restore fails or there is no restore point, then don't panic. There's still another powerful fix you can try, and that's manually repairing your Windows registry. This method has actually helped a lot of people recover from the automatic repair loop, especially when the registry gets corrupted. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.